Thank
you, members of the committee. My name is Samuel Lair. I am the legislative director for the Idaho Freedom Foundation. I actually was not going to testify for this, but I was listening to some of the testimony, and I wanted to kind of set some things straight. First off, I'm a hunter. I'm an angler. I donate to the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation, and I believe that hunting is a fundamental right that we have. But I also believe that the principles of the Constitution are important to uphold. I consider the Idaho Wildlife Federation a great organization, and Mr. Fasciano is a close friend of mine, but unfortunately, I think we see different sides of this issue. If you go back to our founding fathers, they established that electoral and control is necessary for all parts of our government, especially the executive branch. If you go back to James Madison during the decision of 1789, it established that implied within the power of the executive is the power to remove executive officers. And if you do not have that power to remove executive officers, you do not have proper electoral control of the executive branch. This decision was subsequently reaffirmed by Chief Justice Howard Taft, former President of the United States, in Myers v. U.S. in 1926. I really consider this a fundamental bedrock of our constitutional system. Now, it was mentioned that this was established in 1938, and I think that's an important date because in 1938 is when we started to see Idaho's legislature and executive branch more from the traditional constitutional system, more towards the progressive scientific administration that undermines our constitutional system. I see this legislation as an important step back to that constitutional form and encourage your support of this legislation. Thank you.
Are there questions for Mr. Lair? You did pretty good for just signing up off the cuff.
Thank you.
Yeah. Don't have any